Hello everyone. Have you noticed there has been of late a constant worry amongst people to know about their purpose of life? Yes, most of them have been constantly worrying about that they haven't found out what is their purpose of life, or they haven't found out what is that one particular passion which will sort of push them out of the bed and make them to work on that particular passion. They have been pretty mundane about their jobs, or if they're homemakers, they're constantly working in their houses, or they're students, or somebody who's just aiming to work more or study more, so on and so forth, but still have in their back of the mind that they don't have a passion, they don't have a big passion for something where they have to leave everything behind and then just go and work for that particular purpose of life. Now that interestingly becomes a stress over a period of time. Now, the interesting thing about purpose of life is that in the search of purpose of life, in the search of finding out that one particular passion, we are forgetting that there is a goal which we are working on day-to-day life. If you are a home baker and you're at home and your goal is to have everybody, give everybody a nutritious meal, or ensure that everybody in your house is safe during this pandemic times, or if you're just working in an office, you just have to ensure that you're regularly doing all your mundane jobs perfectly. Isn't that those small little goals are also important? I mean, going behind those big dream, which probably we don't know at this point in time whether we have it or not, or maybe we may not have the dream at all. There is no compulsion that everybody needs to have a purpose of life. So I think irrespective of your purpose of life or not, going through those small little day-to-day activities and those small little goals and achieving them is most critical. Think about it and let me know what your thoughts on this.